If you need to rotate a video in CapCut, whether it's sideways, upside down, or you just want a custom angle, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest ways to do it. By the end, you'll know how to use the quick rotate button, the custom angle controls, and the visual canvas handles for precise rotation. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials every week. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video clip is already on the timeline. Once the clip is selected, take a look at the toolbar directly above the timeline. This is where you'll find some of the most useful editing tools, including the rotate option. The quickest way to fix a video that was recorded the wrong way is to use the rotate button. You'll usually see a square icon with a curved arrow next to it. Every time you click it, CapCut rotates the video 90 degrees clockwise. So if your footage is sideways, just click once. If it's still not upright, click again until it looks correct. This method is perfect when you want a fast fix and don't need a custom angle. Now, if you want more control, maybe you want 45 degrees, 180 degrees, or some other exact rotation, use the custom angle settings on the right side of the screen. Head up to the editing panel in the top right corner and make sure your clip is selected. Then click the video tab, and after that, open the basic sub tab. From there, scroll down until you see the transform section. This section contains the rotate setting, which gives you much more precision than the quick button. Inside rotate, you have a few different options. You can click into the box and type in a specific number of degrees directly. If you want a half turn, enter 180. If you want a tilted effect, try 10, 15, or 45 degrees. You can also use the circular dial or knob and drag it left or right to rotate the video visually. If you want tiny adjustments, use the up and down arrows for micro changes. This is especially helpful when you're trying to line something up exactly or create a stylized effect without over-rotating the clip. There's also another really handy method using the preview window, which gives you a more hands-on way to rotate your video. Click inside the preview player while your video clip is selected. If you can't easily see the edges, zoom out with Ctrl and scroll so you can see outside the video boundary. Once you do that, look for the circular handle or dot that appears near the bottom center of the video box boundary. This handle lets you rotate the clip manually. Click and hold it, then drag left or right to spin the video to any angle you want. This is great if you like to adjust things visually instead of typing in exact numbers. A quick tip here. After rotating your video, always check the framing. Sometimes rotation can leave empty corners or shift your subject slightly off-center. If that happens, you may need to resize, reposition, or crop the clip a little so it fills the frame properly. That way your final export looks clean and polished. So just to recap, if you want the fastest fix, use the rotate button above the timeline. If you need precise control, go to the video tab, open basic, then use transform and the rotate setting. And if you want a more visual, freehand method, use the handle in the preview window. CapCut gives you all three options, so you can choose the one that fits your editing style best. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps support the content and lets you know when more CapCut tips and editing guides are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.